AppZero is a killer WordPress analytics, licensing, and deployment tool that helps your business to grow faster than a speeding rocket. Deploy your plugin theme updates easily to your premium users. And manage subscriptions, licensing, and recurring payments easier than ever before. Find out why your plugins are deactivating and improve upon that. Where others take a percentage of your revenue, AppZero is different. Pay only for how many licenses you manage and save more income. AppZero is the most affordable way to grow your WordPress business. Discover AppZero pricing today.
Meet weMail, a WordPress plugin to create and send beautiful newsletters cost-effectively. Download it for free and install it on your site. Connect to the weMail server and start sending emails. Configure, build emails with a drag-and-drop email builder, and hit send. Easily collect new subscribers and connect all your databases with weMail in a single click. It even has integration support with Contact Form 7, Gravity Forms, WP Forms, Caldera Forms, WeForms, Ninja Forms. With weMail, you can automate and schedule your newsletters based on certain conditions. See an overview of your campaign right from the dashboard, including tracking, openings, and more. Using Amazon Web Services, SparkPost, SendGrid, Postmark, Mailgun to send your emails. No complicated settings, just set your API settings and enable your favorite email sending service. Experience weMail for free today.
Hello everyone and welcome to yet another episode of weDevs show. My name is Ahmed Kabir Shayon. As usual, I'm your host. I work as a business development manager here at weDevs, and today I will introduce my co-host, Mr. Yasin Rahman, who works as a business strategist here at weDevs. So Yasin, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Shayan. How about you?
I'm doing good as well. Thank you for asking. Today, the tables have turned, and I'll let Yasin take charge of the show. But I will announce that today's episode talks about our email marketing solution, the best email marketing solution for WordPress out there, weMail. And I'll let Yasin take charge and introduce the guest. So Yasin, please do the honor.
Okay. Today we have a guest along with me and Shayan in our show, who is known as the product manager of weMail, and he is none other than Mr. Ashikuজ্জামান Kiran.
Hello,
Hi.
everyone.
Hi, Kiran.
Oh, good to see
Yeah.
you.
Good to see you
So,
guys.
I will ask for an formal introduction, but before that, I'll let everyone know that viewers, you can post your questions in the comments section for the Facebook Live and also the live chat feature in YouTube to if you have any inquiries about weMail or in general, because we have Kiran here with me. So Kiran, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. I'm Ashikuজ্জামান Kiran. I'm working as digital marketing manager in weDevs, and currently I'm overseeing the project weMail, which is the email marketing platform. Over to you, Mr. Shah.
Awesome. All right, Yasin, what's up next?
Okay. So Mr. Kiran is the product manager of weMail, which is basically used for email marketing. So all of we hopefully know that email marketing software is a service based software that marketers use for email marketing with a variety of services, resources, and tools. The software allows marketer to do much more than simply send emails, right? So Mr. Kiran, could you please tell us more about basically what is weemail and how can we power up email marketing with weemail?
Thank you, Mr. Yasin. Well, that's a two-part question. Let me go through them one by one. Waymail is an email marketing SaaS platform, which is focused around WordPress. So what I mean by that is, uh, Waymail is solely focused on WordPress platform. So if you do your email marketing, if you send email to your regardless of your users or your marketing campaigns or even any other one of email campaigns, you can use email. So the benefit of using email over other email services is, well, email is centrally focused on WordPress, and it brings out the best in your WordPress system. And apart from what Weemail does, it's, since I've already said, it's an WordPress focused email marketing solution. So if you have a WordPress website, Weemail is a must for you, since it brings out all the WordPress default integration within your email marketing platform, so that your email marketing workflow gets easier with time. So over to you, Yasin.
Okay, great. So you mean Weemail helps to send beautiful emails, grow subscribers list, promote services, and sell products all within WordPress dashboard, right?
Yes, you sum it up perfectly.
Okay, great. So, Mr. Shayan.
But you're on mute.
Yeah, I just pulled another 2020 again. You're on mute. Anyway, so as I was saying, now that the viewers know what is email marketing and what we have heard from you, I can add, and based on my research going through the website, also exactly the place where people can learn more is the website getwemail.io. I was going through that website and I realized that it's the email sending API, and these are the exact words that I've collected from your site, saying that it's a killer combination to send awesome emails, grow subscriber list, and promote products all within the WordPress dashboard. How would you like to justify that claim?
Well, yeah, but actually the main our selling point is we are integrating different world-class sending API within our email, so that not you don't have to worry about reaching your email to customers' inbox. So by using those third-party email sending API, you can always be ensured that your email are getting through into their inbox, and not only you're getting into the inbox, you can send awesome, beautiful, and highly professional emails without even touching a code. Just use our email drag and drop builder inside the email plugin. So all in all, the overall product experience makes it easier for even a novice user like everyone else to send emails without having to worry about the technical part.
Right, well said. So, Yasin, so today's episode, we are going to talk about email list segmentation, right? And we're going to talk about a few other stuff. So, I will pass over to you, Yasin, if you can hear me. Let's begin with the show. I know we will be getting some comments. I'll look through the comments if we have any questions coming from Facebook Live and YouTube Live, and then I'll interrupt. Yasin, let's go with the proceedings. I don't know if Yasin can hear me, but nonetheless, I think Yasin is having some technical issues. Let's just go ahead. So we talked about how Vmail works, right?
Yeah.
But still, Kiran, if you would tell us, how does Vmail work?
Well, basically just what I've said earlier. Email is a different email workflow works in a different way. You need to collect email, then you need to design your email, template, and then finally you need to send the email. So the whole process gets messier if you use different platforms for your email marketing. So this is where the email comes in. You can use with different email opt-in forms, embed forms to collect email throughout your site. You can embed, you can display an embed form in your blogs or in your checkout form. You can also add additional fields in your checkout form also, or in your comment section, even in your user registration list. So these are the ways you can collect emails using email. And after collecting, you can also add them tags, so that the tags can automatically get applied to the email context. And after tagging the context, you have the powerful features of email, which is a segmentation. You can actually segment your contacts accordingly. For example, if you want to segmentize your contacts to people who are only using Gmail, you can do that in email. So if it, or another example would be, you want to send emails to users who are only located in USA, you can also do that as well. So these are one of the very few segmentation example that you can use, and there are also many segmentation process. So after you segmenting your list, then you can just go into the campaign section, drag and drop your email list, email template, just finalize your content of the email, and finally you can just you need to just integrate any third-party API with email, and then you can just click the send button to send your email to your customers. So this is in short how email actually works. So as you can see, not only from collecting email addresses, but also segmentizing them, clusterizing them according to your different businesses, and also sending automated emails or even one-off emails in various time, or even if in your user's local time. All that can be done using email. So as you can see, the entire email sending workflow process got easier over time with email. So that's where the email comes in.
All right, thank you. That was well versed to an answer. But I just want to remind our viewers that there will be a special coupon shared by Ashik at the end of the show. Is that right, Ashik?
Yeah.
That means you're going to offer something specially for our viewers.
Exactly.
Perfect. I'll pass the floor to Yasin for the next question. Yasin?
Okay, first of all, I'm sorry because my network is just interrupt, and so I face some technical issues. Okay, so please, Mr. Kiran, let's talk about some email list features.
So yeah, email works as usual. The other email list in email works in as usual. So as you can see, we have email list features, different kind of email list features. I'm guessing you're about to show a video of email list. So can we launch that video? Then we talk about it.
Absolutely. We'll see the video right now. We have a small tutorial video for our viewers that's going to give them some idea about how tags work in email. So enjoy the video. We'll be back soon.
Hi there! This tutorial will show you how you can make use of tags using weMail for your WordPress email marketing. To create a tag, go to Lists and then select a list with subscribers. Then select Manage Tag under Options and type your tag name and hit Save. Now select all or some names from the list and select Assign Tags from the Bulk Actions drop-down list. Now click on Apply and select your tag before clicking on Save. You can click on a user to check for a tag and even update the tag if you click on it. If you want to update a tag, click on Options, then click on Manage Tag, then click on Edit to change the name or delete it to remove the tag. You can add a tag to an existing segment. So click on Filter by Segment and select a segment. Then click on Edit Segment and then click on Add More to add tags from the drop-down list. Then select the tag name you just set before and click on Update to save this segment. You can also select a campaign with this segment you just created. If you head over to Campaigns to create one, you will be able to include the list along with the segment with the tag. You can also include tags for your forms. Go to Forms and create or select an existing form. Then click on Settings, then set your list and select your tag from the drop-down list and then click on Save Form. And that is how you can make use of tags using weMail for your WordPress email marketing.
Okay, so we saw a little tutorial video by one of our content creators, Arshadina. She does amazing work, so kudos to her. So Ashik, if you want to elaborate on tags.
Yeah. So as you have all seen in the videos, there are a couple of ways you can collect your email. So inside your WordPress website, and also there are a couple of options you have the user is have so that they can update their how they can add contacts when people submit into their opt-in forms, and how they can update the tags in between going into the subscriber list. So these are all the nitty-gritty stuff that usually the pro email marketer needs. So this is how the email marketing list tags works. And besides that, the segmentation, these are actually the pretty advanced stuff. Normally the normal user usually don't use that segmentation part as much, but for the advanced email marketer, a segmentation comes in very handy, because we rarely send email to all of our users for every emails. Usually we send emails to targeted segmented audience whenever there's a campaign, whenever something like that, any need arises. For example, at weDevs, we often send emails to a certain list, and then we send a follow-up email to same exact list to people who didn't open the email the first time. So you see, this is how we actually use email to execute email marketing platform. And then there are other couple of series of email we usually send throughout our campaign to engage, educate the users or email list. So you see, email list and list segmentation comes in handy for the most pro users of email marketers. So I believe the list segmentation will come handy for any type of email marketers who are really want to drive in and really want to switch to another platform. So email would be a best choice for them.
Okay, so that's well explained. So if I summarize, so you can easily assign tags and segmentation or segments for subscribers and manage them quite easily using weMail.
Yes,
that's beautiful. I'll pass it to Yasin for his next question.
Okay. Thank you, Shayan.
You're welcome.
So, based on the popularity of e-commerce, is there any segmentation options for e-commerce platform?
Yes. At weMail, we have e-commerce integration inside the weMail. So we have segmentations, and they are basically focused solely on e-commerce segment plugins. So that if you're using WooCommerce and EDD, for example, plugins for your WordPress website, you can definitely use weMail and its segmentation features to further dissect your email list to whatever suits your needs. So weMail actually helps in that case. So if you want, I can show you a demo, quick demo for the list segmentation.
Sure.
Absolutely, please.
Okay. So I guess you can see my screen pretty clear.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. So as you can see, I'm into a list inside EDD list, email list inside Vmail. So we have these features, segmentation, tags. So we have EDD tags, New Year sale tags. These are the tags that have been assigned to some of these email contacts. And for segmentation, as Mr. Yasin said, do we have any email e-commerce segmentation? Definitely we have. At the bottom of this drop-down list, as you can see, we have a couple of interesting e-commerce features. For example, spend. If you have a shop and you want to target the people who are actually spending more than 50 in your $50 in your WooCommerce or e-commerce store, you can actually target them. And there are more options. You can also always, there's option to customize that, who's actually spending less than $50 in your customers, so in your store, so you can target them as well. And also, if you want to know how many of your customers actually is repeated customers, so if you want to know the people who are actually buying from you, let's say 10 times a year, more than 10 times a year, so this is how you can actually target them. The purchase number of times is greater than 10, so you can, there's an option to customize that. So, and another would be to purchase activity. So if you want to target the people who actually hasn't purchased from your e-commerce store, you can actually target them by this segmentation as well. And if you want to also target people who are the big spender, for example, someone who's spending $200 in a single order, so there's also option for that as well. And lastly, there's option for purchase number of times and product purchase. If you really, for example, if you have a let me give a real life example. For example, someone is buying a a product, for example, beanie. So you want to you want to recommend them to try out a related different product. So whenever someone purchased this product, you can send them an email suggesting, hey, we have a new exciting product upcoming, and only for you we can give you 20% discount if you buy this other product within 24 hour of getting this email. So yes, everything you can do that with email as well. So once you have figured out your segmentation, once you have finalized your segmentation option, you can just hit the create button and just give it a name and just save it. So this is how you can actually segment your audience, segment your email list. These are just e-commerce features. Other than that, we have tags features, campaign activities. There are other couple of fields that I believe users will find helpful for the email marketing system. So once you save the email list segmentation, then you can go to the campaign section and just select the segmentation from the drop-down list, and that's how you can actually send email to your email list with segmentize option. So this is how actually the email segmentation works. I hope that helps.
Yeah, absolutely.
Great.
That was helpful. That was insightful. I think we can go to that small tutorial video that we have. I think that's going to be helpful. If that's all good, we can share the next video that we have.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, let's dive into that.
Hello, this tutorial will show you how you can make use of segmentation using weMail to find and manage your email subscribers. So head over to your weMail dashboard, head over to Lists, and select a list with your relevant subscribers. Now click on Options, Manage Segment, and click on Add New. Now select a segment from the drop-down list. You will see that you can create a segment based on many factors. I'm going to select Campaign Activity to check how well a campaign is doing. Select a campaign activity. As you can see, you can select based on who opened, clicked, or did not even respond to a campaign at all. I'm going to check how many subscribers have opened a campaign, and then I will select any campaign. You must now set the match condition. If you set all, that means all of the conditions will be matched. If you choose any, this means any one condition will be matched. Now click on Create and set a name for your segment, and then click on Save. Now click on Filter by Segment and select the name you just set for your segment. Click on Filter and you will see that weMail has filtered users who have opened the campaign we executed. Let's edit this segment to add more conditions. Click on Edit Segment, then click on Add More. This time, I will add email address. Then I will set the condition to contain, but you can choose any of these conditions depending on your target. Now I will proceed to type Gmail to find out users who are using Gmail as their email address. Now I will set the match condition to any. Next, click on Update and weMail will update the segment to include users who opened the campaign and who happen to be Gmail users. To update a segment name, click on Options and select Manage Segment to edit the segment name, or if you want, you can also choose to delete it. If you are using WooCommerce, you can also create a segment for your e-commerce site. You will find segment options for this in the e-commerce section of the drop-down list. I will set the purchase activity, and then I will set the condition to users who have not made a purchase. Set the match condition. Then I will set the name, click on Save, and click on the segment name and hit the filter button to implement the filter. Let's try another one. Click on Clear Segment to clear the filter. Then I will select Spent from the drop-down segment list and set the condition to include those who have spent less than $5. Just like before, set the name and select the segment name to set users who spent less than $5. And that is how you can make use of the segmentation feature using weMail for your WordPress email marketing. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more videos on WordPress email marketing using weMail.
Yeah, just like Arshadina said that we need to stay tuned for more videos like that. Anyway, so the most important part of the show. First, we have a question. So let's address the question. The question comes from Rabbir Shad, and he asks, do I have to select campaign option while choosing segment? That's a good question, I guess.
Actually, no. You can create your segment even before creating a campaign. So segment is not actually segment are actually not campaigns are actually not required for segment. So you can always do that beforehand.
Okay, Rabbir, I think you got your answer. Again, reminding our viewers, if you have a question, please post it on the chat using the live chat feature on YouTube or comment section in the Facebook platform. So wherever you're joining from. Anyway, so let's go to the most exciting part, the reason why I'm here. As you mentioned earlier in the show that there is a special coupon that you're going to talk about. Let's dive into that. But first, let's talk about the pricing. Let me pull up the weDevs weMail pricing page on the screen for all of us. If we can see that. All right. So that's the pricing page. If you can please guide me through, Kiran.
Yeah. So as you can see, for we will actually really don't send email for you. We will actually manage the subscriber for you. For sending the email part, you need to have a different setup API sending API setup in your email. So you have to purchase your sending from a third party source, and as well as for managing subscriber, you need to have email premium subscription. For up to 3,000 subscription, the email is free. For and for premium subscription plan, well, actually for managing 10,000 subscribers at Email, it will cost you $9 per month. So that's how it is. So if you scroll down the bar, you can see that, and there are other options to actually manage this. There are also a lot of features and lists that you can see the premium features has. So there are some limitations in the free feature, but for premium feature you have all the options. For example, the opt-in forms, they are unlimited in the premium subscription, but for free it's actually one. You can only create one opt-in forms. As you can also slide down, you can see there are a couple of, for example, one digest email in premium set of subscription of email. It's a lifetime, but for free user you actually have a limited time digest email. So apart from that, there are also a few changes we are in the process of making, and this is where the picture gets clear. This is actually a cost calculator for Vmail. As you can, I think a lot of people, a lot of our user, and even a lot of the website visitors usually ask, why do I have to buy the Vmail for managing subscription and also buy email sending from third-party API sources like Amazon ACS, Spark, or SendGrid? Well, uh, this is actually to save you money. For example, if you have 100K subscribers, so if you want to manage those subscribers and as well as to send email to those subscriber, for MailChimp it will cost you like $6.99 per month, and for Campaign Monitor you'll be into their custom plan. And so this is how the all-inclusive email marketing platforms are providing. But if you focus on the Vmail plus another third-party sending API, we can see with Amazon ACS, for managing 100K subscriber with Vmail plus the sending API cost, it will only cost you $199 per dollar using Amazon ACS. For Spark Post with Vmail, it will cost you 161. So and so on. So as you can see, so now even if you are buying from two different sources, one is for subscription management and one is for sending API, it will still cost you almost it will still save you half the money you are gonna spend in all inclusive email marketing platform. So if you have a large database of email subscriber that you want to send email a couple of times a month, the other platforms are actually not very super cost effective for you. But for Vmail, you can definitely check out Vmail. We can integrate Vmail with any other sending API service, and you can just send emails without having to break your bank for just doing the email marketing part. So this is where the Vmail shines in. So if I sum it up, I'll have to say, if you have a large database of email subscriber, Vmail would be the best cost-effective solutions for you. Well, there's also another part I miss. Why don't people use Amazon ACS and their sending subscription management and their and their platform? Just you can also send just Amazon ACS for managing the subscriber, but Amazon ACS doesn't provide you a user-friendly UI. So actually, this is where the problem comes in. And also, if you really want to go into the all-inclusive solution, for example, you just want to sign up for Sparkpost and they'll manage and send your subscriber for you. It will also cost you a few $100 more per month. So your best cost-effective solution would be to use Vmail within a third-party API service, like we have listed below, so that you can always save your money without having to worry about your cost for email marketing.
Okay, and I think anyone can come and use this cost calculator to see how the
Yeah.
prices change. So if I have a small user base, before signing up, I can use this handy dandy tool to see. For example, if I have only 30,000 subscribers, then my prices will go down. Right.
It's very cheap compared to the all-inclusive email
Yeah,
marketing solutions.
Okay.
and with
And
lots of feature actually.
Yes.
and
Affordable
finally,
price.
about managing certain number of subscribers, that's how the premium plan works. Let's
Yeah.
say if I just drop down to say 20,000, it's gonna cost me $29 per month.
Yes.
Okay. Now the most important part: how can I save more from this cost that I can see in the screen, $29? And what is the special discount that you are offering just for the viewers of this show?
Yeah. Yeah. We are offering a one-time 30% discount for the people, for the viewers of this show. So yeah, the Vmail show is the actual coupon code. If you apply this coupon code in your checkout page, you will get a 30% discount for the first month for the first-time users in any of the premium plan you use. So be sure to use this coupon code while you check out Vmail.
So 30% on this price, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's gonna save a lot of money if I have a big subscriber base. I guess so. But whatever I can save, actually, it actually makes up for my business. And
Yeah.
considering the economy right now, considering the global pandemic, I think this is a very handy and very useful information to know. Anyways, once again, viewers, let just letting you know that the code is WeMail Show, and once again, it's we M capitalize mail and S capitalize. We mail show. You use the code during checkout when you are purchasing WeMail from the website, and you will get a handy dandy 30% discount. So I think pretty much that covers today's show. Let's summarize. But before we summarize, I'll give the floor to Yasin for some shout outs. So Yasin, are you ready? We have some shout outs. Let me know if you're
Yeah.
ready.
Okay. Yeah. So please. So we have lots of features about Vmail, and we also we also see that Mr. Ashik at the show, the end of the show, the if anyone buy the Vmail for email subscription, he will get anyone can get lots of feature with affordable price, and also there are 30% discount, flat discount for any premium packages. And so please start sending email today with Vmail and power up your email marketing.
Awesome. We have a few other shout outs which is displayed on the screen. I think Yasin will help us with that.
Absolutely. If you have any kind of questions about our product, our services, or any kind of partnership queries, integration partnerships, theme partnerships, or any kind of partnerships, any kind of inquiries, please do email at marketing@weDevs.com. And also you may also send email at partner@weDevs.com for any kind of partnership request or partnership inquiries. And also learn more about Vmail, just simply type go to the getwemail.io, and you can learn more about Vmail. And the most important things, it's also another shout out for this episode, because we have a affiliate program, separated affiliate program or a dedicated affiliate program for Vmail. So we will discuss more details about the affiliate program of Vmail in any of the next episode. Absolutely. So please you can join our affiliate program for the Vmail. Okay. And also again, anyone who is watching the show will get 30% flat discount by using Vmail show coupon code. Okay. Uh, this is Yasin. This is my user ID at LinkedIn and Twitter user ID. Please do follow and stay tuned. The weDevs show.
Thank you, Yasin. That's a lot of shout outs given. Also, I would like to ask Kiron to share his Twitter details with the
Yeah, this
viewers.
is my Twitter handle, Ashik Kiran. So if you have any queries regarding any of the email, if you even if you have a feedback, or if you want to rant about something about email, don't forget to just give me a shout out in Twitter. I'll do my best to help you out with the situation. Thank you.
Right. And you can also reach out to me on both LinkedIn and Twitter using the handle at CHAION07. So that is pretty much it for today's show. I want to first of all thank Kiron for his time and joining us today. And also from Yasin, myself, and Kiron, I want to wish everyone a happy weekend ahead. It's Friday, and we decided that we can do something which is more friendly to the US and European time zone.
Okay.
Right now, we have crossed over to Saturday. All three of us, we are in a time zone where the local time is 12:10 a.m. midnight. So we are midnight owls, and we want to invite you again to our next episode, which you will get to know very soon. The topic. Kiran, do you have something else to say before we can wrap up?
Well, actually, if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, yeah, we are happy to have your feedback with us, and we are actually reaching out to our users to get to know more about email, how we can improve email. So, if you have any questions, even if you have any questions regarding joining the affiliate program, be sure to help me in the Twitter and just give me a shout out or via website. You can just contact us through the contact us form.
All right. Awesome. So, Kiran, thank you for joining. I will put you on the backstage. Please don't leave us. We'll be
Thank you for having me.
right after the show. I will have a chat with you along with Yasin. Just stay on the green backstage. Thank you so much. We'll just while we
Thank
wrap
you so
up.
much.
All right.
Sure.
So Yasin, WeMail show. We had a
Yeah.
particular episode on WeMail, and you finally attended this show because somehow you couldn't attend the first episode that where we talked about WeMail in
Yeah.
WeDevs
Yeah.
show. So
Right.
what can we expect in the future episode? What else is there? Can you give us some idea?
Okay, well, what I have mentioned the last episode, we will uh, we have with the next episode, or we have a plan to uh, arrange show based on our every product with the upcoming features of our every products. So it could be the show maybe could be based on any affiliate program of weDevs, or it could be based on any product of any upcoming features.
Right. We will be heavily focusing on the partners, on the affiliates, and our products. So that's all from us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We
Yeah.
will take your goodbye, and we'll come back again in the next few days because we will be doing this once or twice every week. This week we had 2 episodes. Who knows how many episodes we do next week, right? So,
Yeah.
Yasin, any last words or just say goodbye?
The last one is that the current situation is very crucial. It's going to very crucial day by day. So I suggest to everyone just to maintain the social distancing and social distance, and also that please do subscribe and stay tuned about the weDevs show. That's it.
All right. That's well said. Thank you so much. So that's all. Take care. Goodbye.
Okay. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Meet weMail, a WordPress plugin to create and send beautiful newsletters cost-effectively. Download it for free and install it on your site. Connect to the weMail server and start sending emails. Configure, build emails with a drag-and-drop email builder, and hit send. Easily collect new subscribers and connect all your databases with weMail in a single click. It even has integration support with Contact Form 7, Gravity Forms, WP Forms, Caldera Forms, WeForms, Ninja Forms. With weMail, you can automate and schedule your newsletters based on certain conditions. See an overview of your campaign right from the dashboard, including tracking, openings, and more. Using Amazon Web Services, SparkPost, SendGrid, postmark, mailgun to send your emails. No complicated settings, just set your API settings and enable your favorite email sending service. Experience weMail for free today.